Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Whipped and Pretty TV. Today I'll be showing you guys this order that I had gotten from a client in North Carolina. So as you guys may know or not know, I am in the New Jersey / New York area. So getting this DM from somebody in a different state was honestly just surprising and exciting because I'm like, wow, this is my first chance to deliver a cake to somebody without them knowing. One, obviously a surprise cake, but two, from a follower from a different state. So that was really exciting. And I knew I just had to make this cake really pretty for her. And I wanted the client to be really happy. All she told me was that the cake had to be yellow and to make a cute design, something original, and something different for her sister to love. She did tell me that her favorite flavored icing is caramel, so I made sure that I had a vanilla cake layered with vanilla buttercream and caramel drip inside. It's just so delicious. So let's get right into it. Here what I'm doing is I'm just frosting the cake with this yellow color, and at this point I still don't know what I'm doing with the cake. I'm just kind of like looking up designs in between freezing the cake, and I'm just like trying to figure out how to make this cake as nice as possible. I wanted it to be simple and elegant as well, so I was just trying to think of different ideas. I also want to take a second just to thank you guys so much. From my last video, I did tell you guys I believe I was at 47 subscribers, and right now we're at 64 subscribers, so I'm really excited and super happy. It's just crazy how every day you can grow and grow, so I really do appreciate you guys for supporting and liking. It's really appreciated, and I wanted you all to know. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet and you do like this video, please like and subscribe and tune in for new content. So at this point I'm using my bench scraper and I'm smoothing out the cake as much as possible. I really didn't know still what I wanted to do. I was getting nervous because I'm like, this lady, she ordered from so far, so she's expecting something really unique and nice, and I have to deliver that. So I figured, you know what, I really love this new stencil design that I tried out, so I was thinking, why don't I try it on this cake and make it really pretty, add some flowers and a cake topper and some candles and just make it look really pretty, and everything will be okay. So that's what I'm thinking. But then I'm like, well, maybe I actually want to add like a cool different design and something that I haven't done before. And my mind just started wandering and wandering, of course. So after finally deciding what I was going to do with it, I'm still here just using some extra buttercream to fill in those little gaps and making sure my cake is as smooth as possible. It does take a really long time to do this, so when I do post on my other socials, a lot of the videos are sped up, and people have this misconception that, cakes are easy to make and you can do them really fast, and oh, it's just a cake, it should be cheap. But if you realistically sat down and tried to do this yourself, if you're just starting out and you don't know what to do, it is a lot of work and it does require a lot of knowledge. So if you are looking to do this, I would do some research beforehand and make sure you stop at Whipped and Pretty TV to get a lot of your knowledge, tips, and tricks. Another pro tip is to make sure that before you pipe your border on the bottom or do any other designs on your cake, make sure you clean the cake board. This makes it look a lot more professional and just clean overall. I just scraped it down using my scraper, and then later I go in with a wet towel or a paper towel and just wipe around the edges of the cake. This part is super satisfying. I love this design and I think it's cute. I added some silk flowers on top and to the side of the cake, and here I'm piping border around the bottom of the cake. It's just coming out so pretty in my eyes. Let me know what you guys think about it. I did have to deliver this cake to New York City, so on the way there the drive was beautiful, wasn't too far, and I was waiting for her to come in. Here's a picture of her. Wasn't able to see her getting the cake, but I'm happy that she really loved it. Here's the review, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.